Hi everyone, welcome on our very own YouTube channel of Scalers Consultancy, where we make research easy. Research methodology is like a treasure map for curious minds. It helps us discover answers to important questions. It starts with identifying a question we want to solve, such as why the sky is blue or what makes plants grow faster. This is followed by gathering clues, often by reading books, talking to experts, or doing experiments. By following a structured process, researchers ensure they don't miss any important details while searching for answers. The first step is to learn what is already known about the topic, often called a background study. Once that's done, researchers decide how to collect new information. This could involve asking questions, observing things, or conducting experiments. This part of the process is called data collection, and it's like gathering puzzle pieces to put together the big picture.